OpenAI making robots. From ChatGPT to talking machines, a new report reveals OpenAI is exploring building humanoid robots. OpenAI may soon venture into the world of humanoid robotics, according to a report from The Information. Sources with direct knowledge of the discussions revealed that OpenAI staff have floated the idea, although details remain scarce. It's unclear when such a robot might debut or the specific use cases it would target. Currently, startups in the humanoid robotic space are focusing on two primary applications: enhancing warehouse efficiency by automating tasks like merchandise transport and assisting consumers with household chores. OpenAI has already positioned itself as a key investor in companies tackling these challenges. OpenAI's investments in robotics. In February, OpenAI participated in a $625 million funding round for Figure AI Incorporated, valuing the startup at $2.6 billion. Figure AI's latest humanoid robot, the Figure 02, integrates OpenAI's AI models to process voice commands in warehouse settings. BMW has even tested the Figure 02 in its car manufacturing operations, using it to transport metal parts. Another OpenAI-backed company is 1X, a Norwegian robotics firm and a competitor to Figure. 1X has developed Eve, a humanoid robot capable of wheeling around at speeds of up to 9.8 miles per hour. The company is also developing a second, consumer-oriented robot designed for a broader range of tasks but with slower mobility, a strategic path to humanoid robotics. If OpenAI decides to move forward with a humanoid robot, partnering with an established startup like Figure or 1X could accelerate development. OpenAI's existing investments and relationships in the sector might make finding a design partner straightforward. Alternatively, the company could use some of its recently raised $6.6 billion funding round to acquire an existing player in the market. A history of robotics expertise. OpenAI is no stranger to robotics. Until 2021, it operated a dedicated robotics unit that achieved several notable milestones. One project trained a robotic arm to solve a Rubik's Cube using advanced AI models. The company also open-sourced Roboskull, a set of simulation tools to train AI software for autonomous machines, including humanoid robots. The role of custom AI chips. OpenAI's potential robotics ambitions could align with its reported efforts to develop custom AI chips. Reuters recently revealed that OpenAI is collaborating with Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company to create a custom inference processor. Such a chip could be optimized for the demanding AI workloads required by humanoid robots, offering superior performance compared to off-the-shelf processors. If OpenAI's robotics vision comes to fruition, its investments, technical expertise, and hardware collaborations could position the company as a major player in the evolving field of humanoid robots. B-Star Balanced Self-Taught Reasoner is a groundbreaking framework that transforms how reasoning models improve themselves. By dynamically balancing exploration and exploitation during training, B-Star significantly enhances performance in tasks requiring complex reasoning, such as mathematical problem-solving, coding, and common-sense reasoning, in scenarios where large amounts of human-annotated data for complex reasoning tasks are unavailable. Self-improvement, training models on their own outputs, has become a key strategy. However, critical questions remain. When is self-improvement most effective? What are the bottlenecks limiting its success? This work addresses these challenges by focusing on two pivotal aspects of self-improvement. Exploration, the model's ability to generate diverse and innovative responses. Exploitation, the effectiveness of external rewards in identifying and prioritizing high-quality outputs. Through a detailed case study in mathematical reasoning, we uncover key insights. A model's exploratory capacity declines rapidly over iterations. The effectiveness of external rewards weakens as training progresses. B-Star, a self-taught reasoning framework that dynamically adjusts its configurations during training by maintaining an optimal balance between exploration and exploitation at every stage. B-Star maximizes the effectiveness of self-improvement based on the model's current state and available rewards. Our experiments across mathematical reasoning, coding, and common sense reasoning demonstrate that B-Star not only sustains the model's ability to explore throughout training, but also optimizes the exploitation of high-quality outputs. The result: significantly superior performance across all evaluated tasks. A Chinese lab, DeepSeek, has unveiled one of the most powerful OpenAI models to date, DeepSeek V3. Here are the key points. Model capabilities: DeepSeek V3 is a mixture of experts, language model with 685 billion parameters, 37 billion of which are activated per token. It excels in various text-based tasks such as coding, translating, and writing essays and emails from descriptive prompts. The model outperforms other open-source and closed-source models, including Meta's Llama 3.1405b, OpenAI's GPT-4 and Alibaba's Qwen 2.572b in several benchmarks. Training and efficiency: trained on a dataset of 14.8 trillion tokens. DeepSeek V3 was developed using 2048 NVIDIA H800 GPUs over 2 months at a cost of approximately $6 million. That the model adopts multi-head latent attention, MLA, and DeepSeek MOE architectures for efficient inference and cost-effective training. Performance and benchmarks: DeepSeek V3 performs exceptionally well in coding competitions and tests like AIDA Polyglot, where it excels in integrating new code into existing code. IT also outperforms other models in various English and multilingual benchmarks. Availability and licensing: released under a permissive open-source license, allowing developers to download, modify, and use the model for commercial applications. Practical considerations: while highly capable, the model requires significant computational resources to run efficiently. However, it is supported on both NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. The model's responses are subject to China's Internet Regulator guidelines, avoiding topics that might raise regulatory concerns. DeepSeek V3 represents a significant achievement in AI development, showcasing the potential of open-source models to compete with and even surpass closed-source counterparts. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more exciting content on AI and robots.